We welcome you all to today's highly anticipated debate on the topic technology is making us more distant rather than connecting us.
There is absolutely no need for them to be socializing.
Before I proceed to explain my stance, I would like to pose an intriguing question. What does the word distance mean to you? You probably thought of it in terms of physical or spatial connotations.
During difficult times such as pandemics and natural disasters, technology serves as a lifeline. It helps us connect people and engage people when physical presence is not possible.
How can we say that technology makes us distant? The entire globe has shrunk to the size of a tiny room. The entire social media is at our fingertips.
That does break your social barriers. That does make you come closer with your friends.
I would like to address the point again. Friendships don't come under the broad idea of technology is connecting us together.
In this age where the world is interconnected through a vast digital network, it is ironic to consider that technology might be driving us apart.
Technology has given us a plethora of options to choose from, such as texting, voicemailing, calling, and FaceTiming, which we can pick and choose from based on our needs.
I would like to conclude by stating an English novelist and scientist, Charles Percy Snow. Technology is a queer thing. It brings you great gifts with one hand, but it stabs you in the back with the other.
We are now able to include disabled people to help them communicate better.
This is a technology gaming, online gaming technology, which is leading to suicidal cases. What do you have to say about that?
Let me say this: if the parents had given it moderately before and he had used it in moderation before, will that have happened? Will that have occurred?
Social media excessively has also made the people think that what they see is everything on social media. Such people have been influenced very easily to try to have everything like them.
You and I would have gone berserk during the COVID-19 pandemic without technology. Think about it. You would probably have not met that one friend of yours if it wasn't for technology. Think about it.
To soothe a child, a parent is using technology. To feed a child with ease, a parent is relying on technology.
Connects us with the world and fosters relationships which would otherwise be impossible.
We have used technology for online classes, but just using that has not sufficed. Many of the people during online exams, you know what you've done. You've cheated, you've done Google, accept it. Now,
Yeah, but the problem is we had the pandemic, no school, so you had to connect with each other. And technology is the platform which helped us connect with each other during the hard times.
You are trying to connect with people who are across the world, and you're not even bothered about the next room, your sister, your mother, your father, your grandparent. You don't want to connect to them, who has given you life and who is taking care of you, paying your fees, everything, and you're not bothered about the emotions and the emojis you put for somebody else. Anything happens to you, children, I am telling you, your parents are the first people to help you out.
Use it wisely so that you can groom into a good human being and a good citizen of the nation.